Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Get set to uncover fascinating insights as we explore the uncharted territory of the number one drink to help you go number two. Yes, you heard me right. We're about to uncover a practice that some believe can kickstart your digestive system and help you achieve a smoother, more balanced morning routine. Are you facing difficulties with constipation? The root cause might be insufficient intake of dietary fiber. Thankfully, a solution exists in the form of a beverage. Renowned gastroenterologist and best-selling author Dr. Will Bulsiewicz took to his Instagram to discuss a trending drink that he wholeheartedly endorses. This morning option not only contributes to your overall well-being, but also features a primary ingredient rich in fiber and hydrating properties, aiding in promoting healthy bowel movements. If you've been active on social media lately, you might have come across the concept of the internal shower. This concoction is composed of merely water, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a splash of lemon juice. This is what is truly remarkable about chia seeds, is the incredible fiber content. A mere 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provides a remarkable 12 grams of carbohydrates, of which 10 grams constitute fiber, a truly impressive feat. This morning beverage can supply you with a substantial 10 grams of fiber. Embracing a diet rich in fiber can lead to a reduction in the risk of heart disease, improved gut health, regular bowel movements, and more. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention suggest that adults aim for a daily fiber intake of 22 to 34 grams, and this chia seed elixir substantially contributes to achieving this objective. Moreover, chia seeds possess an exceptional ability to absorb a significant amount of water. In fact, they can absorb up to 12 times their weight, forming this remarkable gel-like consistency that we have become acquainted with, or will become acquainted with if you decide to adopt the internal shower routine. Remarkably, this gel is also beneficial for your gut microbiome. Maintaining proper hydration is another pivotal factor when seeking relief from constipation. Adequate water consumption is crucial for an effectively functioning digestive system, facilitating nutrient absorption and promoting smooth movement along the digestive tract. To conclude, this chia-infused healthy gut tonic provides an exceptional foundation for addressing your constipation concerns. However, remember to consider your chia seed consumption, as excessive intake can interact with certain medications and potentially overwhelm your fiber intake if you're already meeting your daily requirements. Be sure to check out the full recipe of the internal shower beverage in our description below. Thank you for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.